New York federal prosecutors picked up the case against Jeffrey Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell after realizing how badly it faltered and fell apart here in Palm Beach County 16 years ago. For the victims, this verdict brings a long-awaited sense of justice.
I wasn't sure that this day would ever come.
Annie Farmer is one of the 4 accusers who testified against Ghislaine Maxwell, found guilty Wednesday on 5 of 6 counts of aiding Jeffrey Epstein in an underage sex trafficking ring.
I just feel so grateful that the jury believed us and sent a strong message that perpetrators of sexual abuse and exploitation will be held accountable no matter how much power and privilege that they have.
The case originated in Palm Beach, where police first put together a case against Epstein in 2005 with more than 30 young victims. Maxwell was there running Epstein's Palm Beach mansion and recruiting victims for his sexual massages. That case ending in a sweetheart deal with Epstein spending only 13 months on a work release sentence. Maxwell was never charged. A bitter blow to then Police Chief Michael Ryder, who told me he believed they had enough evidence to send Epstein to prison for life. Today, saying this, the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Southern District of New York should be congratulated for having the courage to bring Epstein and now Ghislaine Maxwell to justice, something that should have been done in the Florida case 15 years ago. This case is a lesson in what can happen when good people look the other way and pretend they do not see something they know is wrong and dangerous. We're also hearing from the Florida attorney for the victim known as Kate, who says this verdict sends a strong message.
If you're a perpetrator, doesn't matter how much money you have or how many resources you have, justice is going to catch up to you. So I think that that speaks volumes as well for what we can plan to see in the future.
And the victims say they hope that Maxwell gets the maximum sentence, which effectively would be a life sentence for the 60-year-old. A sentencing date has not yet been set. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.